I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord engine. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Next, drain all engine fluids, like oil and coolant, into appropriate containers. You will gain much better access by removing the hood and the front bumper. Remember to carefully label all electrical connectors and hoses before detaching them. This will save you a lot of time later. Now, let's start disconnecting the major components. Begin by detaching the exhaust system from the engine's manifold. Then, carefully remove the intake manifold along with all its vacuum lines. You'll also need to detach the power steering pump and the air conditioning compressor, ensuring their lines are properly secured. Finally, separate the transmission from the engine block, which usually involves removing several bolts. With everything disconnected, it's time to support the engine. Use a reliable engine hoist or a sturdy jack stand to bear the engine's weight. Next, remove all the engine mounts. There are typically 3 or 4 of these securing the engine in place. Before lifting, double-check that every single connection is completely detached. Then, slowly and carefully lift the engine, making sure it clears all surrounding components. Now for the final step. Carefully guide the engine completely out of the engine bay. Once removed, place it securely onto a stable engine stand for any further work. Take a moment to inspect the engine bay for any remaining parts, tools, or debris. As a helpful tip, consider replacing any worn components like hoses, belts, or seals during reinstallation to ensure optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.